Hello guys, my name is 100 Pony Gaming. Basically, it's been a long time I never ever played this game. Basically, I played Boony Planet. Only, I was just checking Boony Planet. I was like, ew, what are those? Okay. I'm going to check my messages today. That's all. And I'll change my status. I'm done swapping with my candy. Don't have candy. Okay. Let's change our status first. Look at how many... what the... I don't remember buying this. To cut off me. Basic. Deep sand, so bored, just sitting. Look at my present. Something off. Ew, man. 10 Pro. Yeah, I do script. Basically, I'm gonna do this. And sub, yeah. Guys, I'll write it down. Okay, so I changed my status. And, okay, are you ready to see my messages? Okay, I'm not even going to see. I'm not going to even show my real name. Some of the messages actually say my real name. Basically, I'm not going to show you the full name. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Okay. Guys, there's nothing to see here. That's a conversation. Yeah, that was a long time ago. Why is people giving me, like, whoa, that is a lot of people. Let me check. I don't like mail. There's a lot of people just gave me autographs. Yeah. Guys, you're begging me to actually look at this one? Let me guess, you know this YouTuber. No, you don't know this YouTuber? Okay, I'll show you the messages. Not my real name. Okay. Or did you? Something. I don't know what you're saying. Why did you blow my hammer? Blah blah. Hi, I hope you're having a good day. You know why I unblocked this person? Because... one sec. Sorry, I'm coughing. Okay. Okay, I'm not gonna play games. You guys are going to be distracting. Okay. Okay, go right here. Here. There you go. You know why I'm unblocked her? Because one thing, basically, just saying is how are you having a good day? How are you? Like that. I'm just asking, how was your day? And then block her gone. Basically, I'm not going to message her right now because tomorrow I'm not going to go in Moviestar Planet because I feel bored for it. I never go to my Moviestar Planet accounts anymore. Maybe I forgot my password. Or do I not? Okay, let's say check our room. I'm going to show you all my room. It's quite messy. It's lagging. Guys? Oh, I thought for a second the game crashed. Oh. My Moviestar Planet always crashes. I'm not lying. Okay. Look. Okay, I'll give you medicine. Hearts. Little heart. I'm not gonna them. I'm not gonna feed them. I'm so selfish. I don't want to let them die there. Okay, let's check our profile. Okay, Diamond Trophy. She's not even him. Yeah, Sylveon. yeah, Sylveon. 4. Okay, guys, I actually named my thingies because I named this actually Jessica because it looks like like a person who actually farted in their pants all the time. They wear this pants. Their name is Jessica. I don't wear this pants, basically. Unicorns. People like this outfit. Exactly. People are like copying my outfit. Actually, this is me. Kanzi2003 real backup actually made this. For me. I made this. I did not make this. She did it, not me. We actually swap accounts. Okay. Hey, I've literally seen this pic, everyone. Aww. What in the heck? That is me when it's summer or weekend. Yeah, I know. It's day. But it's so cute. Cute, but fake. Guys, this is supposed to be a... Okay, guys. I did not say that. That is actually... Oh, a lot of people just saw it. Okay, guys, this is supposed to be fake. That is not me who said it. This is... She means bite the face. LOL. Cute, but fake. Fake, but the baby is cute. I exposed you. A nice try. You're exposed. Lolo, nice cropping skill. Fake, but he or she is cute. Not, but that's okay. Yes. Good job, Melody. I like it. That is the most popular photo I ever made by Melody Unicorn. Okay. Okay. This is so... Guys, my piggy bank is full. I'm not going to get VIP because I'm sick of VIP in Movie Planet because I get bored sometimes. Guys, I was a VIP 1 year before. Basically, I'm not going to do it again because I am focusing on Roblox a lot. Basically, I will not focus on Roblox a little. I'm just focusing on the roleplay I made. Hi, movie stars. I have an idea for the game. We love listening to our movie stars, and we know you have so many great ideas. Wow. Is that Moviestar MSP's voice? Guys, so look at my face. I mean, my pet, not my face. Okay, Piggy Pink. I already showed you my room. I never showed you my stuff. Or my profile. There you go. Let me go to my dressing room. I will show you every single... Oh. I don't remember having this before. What is that? There you go. Santa. Okay. This is the cutest thing ever. Okay, let's hurry down to Chicken tonight. All of my stuff. You can pause the video if you like, if it's too fast for you. Me and my pee. Okay, I have a lot. Basically a lot. Guys, I will show you when did I started moviestarplanet. Basically a long time ago. No matter what I do. I'm not going to show you all my stuff because it's going to be boring. Okay. I'm member since December 2005. 15, not 5. I never heard about moviestarplanet since 2005. 2015. What a big ripoff. Whoa. Okay. A member since 2016. Good job. Yep. 1 year. 4. Okay. I'm eating sausages. Hey, moving on to check Roblox. Roblox. Guys, okay. Look at me. I'm a nerdlepy. Does anyone like my outfit? Is this actually going to be my outfit forever and ever? Basically, it's going to change a little. Trust me, the future is never wrong. Guys, okay. Nah. It's so weird wearing two, cats at the same time. It's very weird. I don't see blue. This is actually my roleplay outfit. When I do the roleplay, basically I wear this. I was like, this outfit is perfect for the roleplay. Yeah. Okay. I don't basically roleplay with my other characters. I basically get Kate. Yay! I remember Katie from the video, like the jump scare thingy. I remember Unicorn. I remember the Bella outfit I just made. What is this? Grunted. What? This is a grunt. This is a non-grunt. Why? I made some new outfits. I removed some of my outfits. You see, there's a basics changes. Okay. You know, some people say Johnny Shin. Okay, actually, they actually say pronunciation. People actually say the wrong pronunciation of Jonathan. This is a roleplay character. What? Actually, let me change the fonts. There we go. Now it's a full grunt. Yay! Guys, when I was in JNS, before I end this video, I'm going to tell you about Pokemon Bronze a little bit. I just talked about moviestarplanet a lot, and a little bit Pokemon Bronze. So, you see, JNS actually got the 8 gym badge. It was so emotional that Jake went into the portal. He actually saved us. I don't want to play those. Okay, let me search a account before we end this video. Your friends. Okay. As you can see, she's dressed. Okay, Janice is actually dressed up as Professor Cypress. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe or like, and bye.